Want to make money trading crypto but don't know where to start? In this video, I'll reveal the top 5 crypto trading strategies that professional traders use to profit in any market condition. Stick around because strategy pound 3 will blow your mind. Introduction. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm your name, and I've been trading crypto for X years. Over the years, I've tested dozens of strategies, and today, I'm sharing the top 5 that actually work. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, these strategies will help you maximize your profits and minimize your risks. Let's dive in. 1. Dollar cost averaging, DCA. DCA is one of the safest and most beginner-friendly strategies. Instead of trying to time the market, you invest a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, no matter the price. For example, you could buy $100 worth of Bitcoin every week. This reduces the impact of market volatility and helps you build your portfolio over time too. Swing trading. Swing trading is perfect for those who want to capitalize on short to medium-term price movements. The goal is to buy low and sell high within a few days or weeks. To succeed, you'll need to analyze charts, identify support and resistance levels, and use indicators like RSI or MACD. Pro tip: always set stop-loss orders to protect your capital. 3. Scalping. Scalping is a high-intensity strategy where you make multiple trades throughout the day to profit from small price movements. It requires focus, quick decision-making, and a solid understanding of technical analysis. While it can be profitable, it's also risky and not recommended for beginners. 4. HODLing. Long-term investing. If you believe in the long-term potential of crypto, HODLing might be the strategy for you. This involves buying and holding assets for months or even years, regardless of market fluctuations. The key is to invest in projects with strong fundamentals, like Bitcoin or Ethereum, and avoid emotional decisions during market crashes. 5. Arbitrage trading. Arbitrage involves buying crypto on one exchange at a lower price and selling it on another exchange at a higher price. While the profit margins are small, they can add up over time. However, this strategy requires fast execution and low transaction fees to be effective. Call to action. Last 30 seconds, and there you have it, the top 5 crypto trading strategies that actually work. Which one are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on my next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.